In a cozy little drawer at the bottom of a wooden dresser lived a pair of socks named Sammy and Sid. They were fuzzy, blue with tiny white stars, and always stuck together. A perfect pair. Sammy loved being useful. He loved keeping feet warm, going on adventures in sneakers, or curling up by the fireplace in slippers. He especially loved their owner, a cheerful boy named Noah, who wore them almost every week. "We're his favorite," Sammy would say proudly. But one day, everything changed. During laundry day, Sid went missing. The dryer buzzed, the clothes were folded, but only Sammy returned to the drawer. Sid was nowhere to be found. Days passed, then weeks. Noah looked for the missing sock, but eventually, he sighed and placed Sammy in the back of the drawer. "Can't wear just one," he mumbled. Sammy felt forgotten. The drawer grew quiet. The other socks came and went, laughing about new shoes and muddy puddles, while Sammy stayed still, waiting, remembering Sid. One morning, the drawer opened, and to Sammy's surprise, Noah's little sister, Lila, reached in. "Oh, a lonely sock," she said. She gently picked up Sammy, smiled, and put him on her hand like a puppet. "Hello, I'm Mr. Sock," she giggled. At first, Sammy was confused. He wasn't being worn on feet. This wasn't his usual job. But Lila gave him a new purpose. She played with him every day, using him to tell stories, cheer up her teddy bears, and even make her sick brother laugh. Sammy realized something. Being useful didn't always mean being the same. It just meant being there, being kind, and bringing comfort. One rainy afternoon, while Lila was searching under the couch for her missing crayon, she gasped, "There you are." She pulled out a slightly dusty, star-patterned sock, Sid. She rushed to her mom and said, "Look, the other sock." That evening, Noah and Lila reunited Sammy and Sid. Noah even put them both on and danced around the room. "You two are back together," he laughed. Sammy felt whole again, but different, wiser. He had learned that kindness wasn't just in being part of a perfect pair. It was about showing up however you could and making someone's day a little brighter. From then on, Sammy and Sid weren't just socks. They were storytellers, warmers, puppets, and friends. And every time they were worn, Sammy would whisper to Sid, "No matter what happens, we stick together, because true kindness lasts, even when things get lost."